Hello, shall we continue doing our little Lego trains? We are getting there, baby. Right, here we go. Down you come. So where are we? We've done this. We're on this. Are we on this one? Done that? I think we've done that actually. That was... Have we done that? Yes, that's that bit there. All right, let's turn the page and do some more. I'm sorry if you can hear a wishing noise. I've got the warm air thing. You know, I haven't got my glasses with me. Let me just pop and get my glasses. Oh, that's good. They're not here. Someone's stolen. Oh, there's a backup pair. I've got lots of pairs of glasses actually. These are the sort of cheap ones from Amazon. I think 3 pairs for £10. You know, something like that. Oh, and everything bursts into life. Right. Looks like we're doing these green things. Where are they then? Oh, I see. So we've got 2 of these little seat type things. There we go. 1, 2. And we're putting green stickers on there. And there they are. Are they all the same? Yes, all the same. Okay. So 2 of these. One on there. Okay. And these are going here and here. Oh, I'm not quite sure how they fit on like that. There's nothing on the bottom to make them fit on. Are we missing something here? That don't... hang on. Does it just clip in somehow? No. That can't be right. Well, how does that clip on then? Oh no, I put the sticker on the wrong way. No. Oh, Chris, will it come off easy? Oh, yeah, it does. There it is. Oh, it's underneath, you silly old sausage. Silly Chris. Right, let's have a... Pay closer attention to the instructions. Anyone who watches the numbers of these videos will notice there's been a dramatic fall in the last 3 episodes. I knew you'd get fed up watching this eventually. Oh, well, it's just a bloke putting Lego together. Well, yeah, exactly. Ah, now that one is on the right way. Okay, so that's not too bad. Only half an error. So that one on there like that. Maureen, I know, is watching these. She popped into the pub on Saturday night. God, it's blooming trouble keeping up with everything on Saturday night. There's all sorts going wrong. There we go. Okay. And we've got some windows to do now. Right. 2 big them things. 1, 2, and 4 window type things. Or doors. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 little green dot things, which are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've been listening to the Stylistics today. Do you like the Stylistics? Yeah. Betcha by golly wow, you're the one I have been waiting for forever. Right, we're building 2 door type things. So that there. That looks like it goes in there. What's that? Just click in somewhere, does it? We got anything? Oh yes, there's a little hole type affair in there I can see. Yeah. Oh. Doors. I've got big windows there. I often thought of having those converted into, like, you know, those doors that are, what are they, French windows they're called, aren't they? So we'll make 2 of those. I don't think it matters what way round they go. Yeah, and the little green knobs go on there. Handle type things. Yeah. Turn that page over. And the doors, up they go either side here. Lovely look. Just in the side there. Should slot down there somehow. A little bit of space, there we go. One. I love it, I love it. Look at that. Now when you watch all those science fiction programmes, you know, by now, if you believe any of those, by now we should all have like sliding automatic doors in the house, shouldn't we? They're decent doors, they are. Okay, so that's done. Making a green thing on the top there, 2 long green things. Are they the long ones? Oh, they're the short ones, I think, actually. They're short ones. Oh! Knocked my window in now. I've got to be careful now until we get the roof on because it's a little bit delicate. Once you put the roof on, it kind of holds everything together. Right. So, careful, Chris. It's going on there, I believe, like that. And one on the other side. Oh! One on the other side. Ooh, there we go. Okay. There's only another couple of pages left here, and we've made it. 4 very long ones. There we go. And 2 flat green things. And these are going all on the top here. Okay. So we'll just extend those ones there. Right across. 1. 2. 3. 4. And then cover the dots. I believe, do we want to go further back? Yeah, go further back with it. There we are. I love this green colour. I have a caravan up north, and I think one of my, I'm sure something I've got that colour. I can't remember. But actually, was it that? Yeah, I'm sure I've got that colour somewhere up my caravan. Right, now we're making something here, so we need all these little bits here. Right. Just put up the one side. 2 of these. Two of the glass bricks. 2 corners, is that the corners? Yep, looks like it. Tapped in out. 2 corner type things. And another 2 corner type things. Must be those 2, I would imagine. Yeah. 2 of those. Two of those odd looking things, yep. And 2 grey things. I think that's everything there. And we should end up with this, okay? Tells you in the different stages what we're doing. Does that look right to you? If that's right or not. I think they're all the same, are they? I don't know. No, I don't think that's right. I think it's probably that way. I think. Yep, that looks better. See, with the points out sort of thing. Nope. How does that look? That looks right. I'm going to attach that to this underneath. Those other things go on the top here by the looks of it. No, I don't think that's right. Or is it? Hang on. It's got the 2 showing there, so maybe at the top there. Oh, I beg your pardon. No, it's this thing. This thing's going on top. There we go, that thing. Let's put it up. On top like that. And then the grey thing in the middle. I think we might be building 2 of those. Yes, we're building 2 of these. Right. That one goes at the top. No, I'm not getting that on easy. Hang on, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's got to go at the end, so. I don't know if that's the right. Is that the right part? Am I putting it on back to front? Oh, I'm putting it on back to front. There we are. There you go. All right. So I've got to make another one of those. Right, there's those 2 made. Turn the page. And these are going on either end of the carriage. Okay. And then we've got 1, 2, 6 of these. And that is the roof. Going all the way along there. Just filling in the gaps. Is that it? I think that might be it. I'm sure the wheels have got to go up. Where's the wheels? Wheels are going on. That's decent, isn't it, eh? Right, wheels are going on. We'll just pop that upside down for that. And how do we do this? Put them on the side. It says okay. I think they just snap in somehow. Oh yes, they're just snapping like that. Look at that. And 4 on the other side. And I believe our carriage is almost complete. Oh, we've got to put a little man in there somehow. That's telling me to take the roof off again. So why it would? I don't know why we couldn't put the thing in before, but there we go. Or we can have him sticking out of here, sort of. What should we do? I don't know. A man with the... is this the one with the wheelchair? Hang on. They're kind of either sitting in there or coming out. Do you know what I mean? I think we're better off sitting them in there. Well, why didn't they tell us that before? Oh, look at that. The whole thing comes off. That's why. How clever is that? Okay, so there's a table type thing. Is that the... let's just take both of those off. I'll be honest, I can't tell which is which here. I think she's going to sit there somehow. Oh, that looks about right. Yep, so she's sitting in there like that. Okay. Now, where does our friend here go? Is he possibly there? I don't know. Does he actually stick down, this one? I think he sticks down. Excuse me, I'm just going to put it on. I'm not working that out. Can you see how? That's with the chair. Oh, I think I may have this lady in the wrong place. Hang on. because I can see the hot dog there. And there's the hot dog. It might be easy if I turn it around actually, won't it? So it looks like it's exactly like the picture. Now what has she got green on? Yes, she has. Right, okay. So she's sitting at the table, which must be there. Right. Of course, now I've blooming removed the chair. That was there, wasn't it? That was it. And he... I think goes there. Would help if I stopped dropping the thing in there, wouldn't it? Oh, he's fallen off his wheelchair now. That's bad news, isn't it, eh? This is really fiddly, this bit. Do you know, I think I'm just going to put him on a seat. Will that work? Yes, it will. I'm going to put him on a seat on the table. And then, I'm not quite sure what I can do with this. His little wheelchair there, see? Oh, there you are. Keep it on the camera, Chris. Right, let's put up. It just doesn't want to seem to fit in anywhere. It's sitting there loose like, but it don't want to. Okay. So there was a round thing there, like a circular thing. It's clipped on there. So I could have had him in there, but I'll leave him on the table now that he's on there, and we'll stick the roof back on. I have a feeling it's another book done. How's that, can I? Okay. See you for another episode very soon. Thanks for watching.